Hey guys, Zach here with Savage Traveling. I'm in Dalat, Vietnam. I stopped here after the Cat Teen National Forest. It was about an 8 or 10 hour ride here, and just chilling around looking for some lunch right now. I got a place in mind I'm on my way to. But I figured I'd show you a little bit of the town as I walk through there, so enjoy the views. It's a nice, quaint little city. Lots to eat and definitely lots to do in the surrounding area. I haven't done much yet since I got here, but I'm beginning to now. Maybe after lunch I'll feel like it. Tomorrow definitely hitting some waterfalls, and that's probably about it, because that's really about all there is to do around here, is go see a few waterfalls and eat good. So we'll see. Yeah, I figured I'm gonna try this Australian burger joint out. I've never really done that, so. And I'm starving, Marvin. I was busy there trying to edit some video this morning, let time slip away, and all of a sudden it's the afternoon and I'm hungry, so. Not the most photogenic part of town. There's some stuff out there, pretty cool. Like a temple or something way back there, maybe. Hard to say. Neat place though, laid back. That Maxim Hotel I'm at's really nice for the price. The guy at the front desk is more than accommodating. So. Cool little spot. Yeah, it's the mountain town. Touristy. Definitely a little touristy, but still cool. I'd sound more excited if I had eaten already, but that's just the way it is some days. Yeah. Hopefully these burgers are on point. We shall see though. So I figured I'd do a little exploring of Dalat video here. This is just interesting. Touristy. Interesting in that touristy kind of way. I noticed they have like several shoe stores too. Like they must really love their shoes here. A little alleyway. Those are every couple hundred yards. Shoes. Bots. Car in the living room. Oh, cool stairway back there. We could pop in there. Yeah, that's cool. That's like straight up almost, right out of the hillside. Yeah, that's cool. I do dig this town. Like, tons of places to eat, man. Like, probably more places to eat than anything else. Well, little shops too. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. Oh, I see shoes. Shoe stores like not very far. think it was wintertime by how everybody's dressed, but it's like 65, 70 degrees out here. It's just not 90. Mangoes, tangerines, and different things. Where's this joint at? Where's the fuck is it? I thought those were real dudes for a second. Booked a room in the Trang next for 2 nights. And I don't know where I'm going after that. It's on the coast, so it should be a little different. A little bit different than what we saw so far on this trip anyways. I mean, it'd be nice getting near some beach. I don't know, I might just stay the 2 days, I might stay longer. Like I said, it all really depends. I could have done 2 nights here instead of 3, but so I was ready just to chill. I have a bunch of video that I need to catch up on, so that's what we're gonna do with that. There's an Eiffel Tower thing I didn't know was here. That's cool. Yeah, this town's like small, but it's, you know, not. You can definitely walk everywhere if you really are so inclined. Pretty sure anyways. Mess there. Light fixture and fans shop. Everything you need. There's some speakers over there. Bump site. That's cool. Huh. Dog hanging out in the alley. Oh, there's my joint, the Oz Burger. We're gonna give out that. We're gonna give some Australian burger a try, okay, guys? I'm starving, alright. I might elaborate a little more, but I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It's greatly appreciated on my end. And we'll keep this train rolling, guys. Take it easy. Peace.